Lower back pain when you're sitting, this is how you fix it. All you're gonna do is get a towel, put it right there as a little lumbar support. That way it gives you a little bit of extra support while you're sitting, and immediate relief. So when you're working at home or sitting at a desk all the time, you can use this pillow or a towel to really help you out. Now, what happens if you have a couch where it's sunken in a little bit more? Stooped over on a couch like this, watching TV, and your back starts to hurt. Notice how the couch is sinking you in. You get a pillow with a little bit extra support. Boom. Now we're in business. So what's going on with the back and why does it hurt when you're sitting for a long time? You would think it would actually feel better. What's going on, everyone? My name is Dr. Justin Lee, physical therapist here at Village Fitness and Physical Therapy, and we're going to talk all about why you have lower back pain in sitting in this video. So check this out. When you sit, naturally your back starts to bend like this. And that's why it's always important to try to sit with an extra support, because that's going to help give you a little bit more. But that's not enough, which is why having a towel or a lumbar support, you can get that on Amazon, is really helpful, especially if your back is not strong and you need that extra support. Your back naturally has a slight curve to it, and we want to try to mimic that and fill that curve in with a towel or a support. Something like this with a back support in a chair does not have that curve, which is why you're feeling that pain. What should we do? How should you go about this, especially when you're working out or just going about your day? Let me show you really quick. What's really important is that when you are at your desk and you're working or you're driving for a long period of time, every 30 minutes, what I recommend is to have that support, put that there, and then try to change your position. Get out of that support for about 5 minutes, then you go right back into that support. That allows your back to take a breather, get some rest and recover, and you're ready and back in business. It's just like, when you're bent over and you're working on the garden or you're doing something and your back is hurting and you just take a breather. 5 seconds, 5 minutes is all it takes to get some relief, and you're back in business. And you're able to have that and sustain that work for so much longer versus if you were stooped in that position, you're dunzos in 30 minutes and you're not going to get back to work. So did you get some relief from that? If you did, I'd love to know. Please put in the comments below that you got some relief so we know that this is definitely contacting and helping some people. But if this did not, then maybe you need some professional help. And hey, if you're local to the Glendora area where our clinic is, then me or my other team of doctors and physical therapists can definitely help you. All you need to do is go to the link in the description, fill out that form, and someone will get in contact with you and you'll start finding immediate relief right away. I'll see you in the next video.